One final match, New Zealand versus Australia. Both teams best and final. New Zealand team final playing 11. Number 1 opener batsman Daryl Mitchell. Number 2 opener batsman Martin Guptill. Number 3 captain and batsman Kane Williamson. Number 4 batsman Tim Seifert. Number 5 all-rounder Jimmy Neesham. Number 6 all-rounder Glenn Phillips. Number 7 all-rounder Mitchell Santner. Number 8 fast bowler Tim Southee. Number 9 fast bowler Trent Boult. Number 10 fast bowler Adam Milne. And number 11 spin bowler is Saudi. Australia team best and final playing 11. Number 1 captain and batsman Aaron Finch. Number 2 opener batsman David Warner. Number 3 batsman Steve Smith. Number 4 all-rounder Glenn Maxwell. Number 5 all-rounder Marcus Stoinis. Number 6 wicketkeeper batsman Matthew Wade. Number 7 all-rounder Mitchell Marsh. Number 8 all-rounder Pat Cummins. Number 9 fast bowler Mitchell Starc. Number 10 fast bowler Josh Hazlewood. And number 11 spin bowler Adam Zampa. Yes, which team will win this match? Please comment and please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this.